How to accelerate migrations to Snowflake. Accelerating your migration to Snowflake begins with comprehensive preparation. With Next Pathway's AI-enabled Crawler 360, you gain a complete map of your legacy data warehouses and ETL pipelines, uncovering every dependency, lineage, and hidden complexity for a data-driven migration strategy. Shift Cloud streamlines the transformation by rapidly converting millions of lines of SQL and ETL logic into Snowflake-compatible code. This advanced automation preserves your business logic and significantly reduces manual workload and risk. Confidence at cutover is essential. Next Pathway's tester rigorously validates every migrated workload, ensuring queries and processes perform as expected before, during, and after go-live for reliable, secure results. Thorough planning, automation, and validation enable organizations to migrate to Snowflake faster, safer, and with greater confidence. As a Snowflake Premier Services partner, Next Pathway applies proven expertise and advanced technology to accelerate every step of the journey. Unlock the full potential of Snowflake with Next Pathway, your partner for secure, efficient, and future-ready cloud migration.